Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, I will be setting up my bullet journal for the month of March. For the theme, I went with a very minimal but a kind of aesthetic style, and this theme is heavily inspired by an Instagram page called Journal by M. I will put the link to the page in the description, but she does these really aesthetic signature journal pages with little flower and leaf doodles and a band-aid with a really nice quote underneath, and I just love that aesthetic, so I thought I would try that for this month. You can check out her Instagram, and her posts are really pretty and aesthetic. For the month of March, I wanted to downsize a little bit, so I will be doing a one-page calendar, and I'm using that style that I mentioned here in my cover page for March. And since I don't have an actual band-aid, I'm using some brown scrap paper to make my own. I wrote the month title on the band-aid and made a mini calendar of the month like I always do underneath that. As I said, for the monthly, I just wanted a one-page calendar, so I'm making similar doodles like before at the bottom. I'm going to use my alphabet stamps that I got from Kaimono for the titles. Using these stamps is pretty difficult because they come in these little squares, and I only have like 6 connectors, so I have to search for individual alphabets, and that took me some time, but I had fun using them. I wanted a really clean, minimalistic aesthetic look for this theme, so I'm making the calendar using a ruler because my freehand lines are not straight at all. I'm using this Stan Stedler marker that almost matches the shade of the craft paper, and that is basically it for my cover and monthly page. Next, we have our trackers page. I am starting with similar doodles again. Then, like always, I need a mini calendar for tracking my YouTube videos, and ever since I started this YouTube tracker page, I have been a lot more consistent and on track with my YouTube videos. After that, I need my 3 boxes for my 3 habit trackers and a to-do list because I have a lot to do this month. I am finally working on my room makeover and hopefully will be complete by the end of March if everything goes to plan. So make sure to keep a lookout for that video. Next at the bottom I have a mood board, and how this will work is I will be doodling in the flowers or leaves to the height that indicates my mood, which will be marked on the left side, and that's all for my trackers. Next we have our weekly page, and I don't really have to explain much here. It's just more doodles, more scrap paper with stamps, and a column each for each day of the week. So I'm just gonna stop talking and let you enjoy the lo-fi music I picked for this video. I am in love with this playlist, and if you enjoy the music as well, the link to the playlist will be in the description as well. Last but not least, I really wanted to recreate the signature style quote page from my inspiration. So that's what I'm doing along with a brain talk page to go with it. For the quote, I went with this post that I saw on Instagram. It says, "Heal and move on. You have things to do. You cannot sit in that dark place forever." And that completes my final page for this setup. So here's the final flip through. I really like how this setup turned out, and I hope you liked it too. Please leave a like and subscribe if you did. Thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.